Hello, Dr. Jean here.
Hi, this is Debbie Papadakis.
I have the privilege of being a co-presenter with Debbie Papadakis. And as you know, Debbie is one of the most innovative hypnotherapists and the foundation for this step-by-step protocol we call HypnoSleep is founded on her development of a technique called micro-age regression.
I am excited to be invited to speak along with Dr. Jean Eljay at the International Medical and Dental Hypnotherapy Association and the International Association of Counselors and Therapists, HypnoExpo May 19th to 21st in Orlando, Florida. Join us for our workshop, Intervention for a Healthy Sleep.
Now, sleep is a very important component of one's health, and I don't have enough time to get into that here. But, besides anxiety, worries, concerns, tensions, and depression, sleep affects other things, including diabetes, vascular resistance, heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. If you want to gear your professional hypnosis practice and include sleep, then this is the seminar and workshop for you.
Join us for our workshop on Sunday, May 21st at 10 a.m. We look forward to see you at the HypnoExpo 2023. Register at hypnoexpo.com. See you then. Thank you.
And I'll be looking forward to speaking with you individually and as a group. Best wishes. Have a wonderful convention, and I wish you the best. Bye.